Harry Potter's invisibility cloak is something that every kid dreamed of having so that they could sneak downstairs in the middle of the night to steal all of the ice cream in the freezer without their parents knowing. Unfortunately, that doesn't exist, and walking down the stairs with a blanket over your head in hope that you turn invisible doesn't actually work, and it's not very safe. Visibility is simply the state of being visible. This means that light waves are reflected off an object and into your eye, allowing you to see the object. Sir John Pedro is an English scientist who in 2006 described how transformation optics could allow scientists to steer light around objects, hence making them disappear. 3 years later, Singaporean scientist Dr. Bell Zhang created a device that bent light around an object. It was a simple box made of 2 attached pieces of colourless crystal known as calcite. When the object, which was a rolled up post-it note, was passed through the box, it disappeared from sight. He proceeded to make a hexagonal box out of ordinary glass, which made the goldfish appear to be invisible. However, since this can only happen due to the bending of light, it can only occur from certain angles and the object must be within the box. He also constructed a glass box which made a cat disappear when it sat in the box. The scientists were projecting moving images of an outdoor scene behind this cat, which could clearly be seen where the box was. Another method of invisibility is not quite what you'd think of when you thought of invisibility. Radar is commonly used to detect aircrafts and missiles, and it works in similar ways to ultrasound scans to see unborn babies. Pulses of radio waves or microwaves are transmitted. These pulses are reflected by any object in their path and can therefore be detected and used to locate objects. This is useful in aircraft as it prevents collisions between aeroplanes, as it enables pilots to locate other aircraft and therefore avoid their paths. This is useful unless if you do not want to be detected, as it would be like trying to sneak up on someone who was staring straight at you. So the military came up with something called stealth technology. Most normal aircrafts are quite rounded in shape so that they are aerodynamic, but this also means that they reflect radar effectively. However, stealth aircrafts are made up of flat surfaces and sharp edges so that the radar reflects at an angle. They are also covered in radar-absorbent material so that less of the radar is reflected. They also reduce thermal emission so that infrared detection is less effective. From invisible goldfish to almost undetectable aircrafts, invisibility is becoming more apparent and realistic. Thanks for watching!